Hey, salut tout le monde. Welcome to a very special episode. I've got Amok. Is back on the flat. It's back on the vlog on the black. We're about to deliver a sled.
I mean, if he wants to give it to me,
It's auction B.
I'll put it out there to him.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's drop off a sled.
Your windshield's almost too clean for this. Couldn't just run a squeegee by it, could you? Wasn't in the budget to stop at the Petro or something.
It's just real life. It's springtime in Northern Ontario.
I mean, and they couldn't have made it any more difficult with the parking.
No. Julian!
Hey.
How are you?
Good, yourself?
Yeah. I've got a little something for you.
Yeah?
Yeah, I brought you something.
You must have planned this delivery though, because I just got my shirts today.
That's hilarious. Well, you are the winner of the very first Beaver Tail Toys sweepstakes.
That's awesome.
And I've got a little Lynx Rave for you.
Cool.
Stick it up.
Yeah.
There she is, sir.
Oh, man. It's a beautiful sled, eh?
It is.
I still can't believe it's mine. I'm gonna open my shirts up.
There she is. Shirt looks great.
Thanks. Hey, we match.
I know.
So my shoes are better.
Oh, yeah. You got your work boots on?
Yeah, my work boots.
Don't worry about those now. You got to start it. It's the first thing.
Yeah, the last sleds I used were made in the 90s, so.
Really?
Yeah.
So when is the last time you had a sled?
I've never owned my own.
You've never owned your own?
No, but I
So
grew
just
up
as a
with,
kid?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
grew up with them, so.
Cool.
Yeah.
And was that the last time you were on one?
No, I ride them like once a year at the Sugar Bush.
Fishing or?
Oh, just Sugar Bush. That's about
Really?
the only time. Yeah.
Cool.
All work, no play, but you have to play a little bit.
So I do have some questions.
Yeah.
One, people are going to be curious. How many shirts did you order?
I ordered two.
2 shirts.
Yeah,
So you
one-
ordered this one and
One for my girlfriend. Yeah.
Cool.
Worth every penny.
the other thing people are going to be curious about is what you're doing with the sled. Do you know if you're keeping it? Are you getting rid of it? And
I'm on the fence.
Yeah.
But I can't not ride it.
if you feel like you got to maybe ride it, then make your decision?
Probably.
Yeah. Well, then you're keeping it.
Yeah.
The other thing I do want to mention, to you guys, is that Julian and I actually know each other. So first off, before that, know that this whole draw, when it comes to doing the legal stuff for sweepstakes like this, I had no idea. Raven 5 is a marketing agency that specializes in giveaways, sweepstakes, this kind of stuff. Everything, all the legal stuff was done through them. The draw was done through them. They did the actual draw. They're the ones who contacted you, right, Julian? 100% legit. I know there's probably some skeptical people. It's the first draw. That's fine. But yeah, Julian is getting it. Now, how do I know Julian? There's something that you guys don't know, but I do have another business that I'm working on with my wife, and that is that we're building an Airbnb property. I won't get into too many details, but know that if you want to come and experience some snowmobile trails in French River, we're going to have a great place for you guys to stay. We're actually going to offer like sledding packages and that sort of stuff. So what does that mean? How does Julian tie into that? Well, Julian works for the contractor that's actually building the house.
Yeah.
So he's been at the site building Heather and I's Airbnb for, I don't know, a month now or something?
Yeah, give or take. Yeah.
Something like that. On the very last day
Yeah.
you were eligible, I was outside washing the sled. You guys have seen that video, actually. And Julian pulled in just to kind of give me a report on what had been done that day. I told him it was the last day, and
Yeah.
that's the day you ordered the shirt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that afternoon.
Yeah. I was like, last day, might as well. It's now or never. Great decision.
There you have it.
Yeah.
It's yours. All right. Without further ado, let's start it. Let's get to it. So I don't know if I told you this or not, but it does have an aftermarket exhaust.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've seen the video, but yeah, okay. Yeah.
I've been watching, but not too much because I didn't want to ruin it. Yeah. That exhaust sounds great.
Yeah. Sweet, eh? And there's the 2-stroke smoke. I've got the cover for you. I've got the stock can, and then I've got the 2-up seat.
Oh, okay.
So does have a 2-up
sure.
seat? Yeah. I could.
Something's beeping.
Totally forgot about it. It auto landed over there. Some people walking by with a dog. The dog was barking like crazy. Oh, that's funny.
Hung a whiz on it. You're gonna miss it. I'm almost sure of it.
Probably. But I'm getting something similar though to replace it. Yeah.
I've known that already.
It's already ordered.
I should have known that.
Yeah.
I can't wait to try it.
Yep. I ordered 3 sleds for next year.
Well, you did tell me that actually.
I was gonna build a shed there for all my snowblower and garden tools, and now I gotta build a bigger one. So I gotta put it in the back. I gotta pick up that gravel and put it in the backyard.
Well, I'm sorry to inconvenience you,
Yeah.
but I mean, I there's still time for me to bring this back. If you want.
You just realized there's people here?
Oh, that's your dog.
Yeah. He's a COVID puppy, so he hasn't had a lot of interactions
Social-
with people.
Right. What's his name?
Padu.
Padu?
Like the wood? Padu? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hi.
Dude, come on. You want to come and say hi? Come here, bud. Come here, bud.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and then we got another one
Another
under the
one wants
fence.
to
Look at this. Look at.
Oh, that's so funny.
His
He's like,
friend.
hey, I want a party.
I think I got a few.
Good. Maybe I'll shake his hand. Get a good one. Awesome questions.
Yeah, we're gonna go ride together?
Yeah, absolutely. Cool. That is the hope for sure.
Yeah, because
Amok's coming. Maybe Sylvain will come.
yeah.
It's a date. We're making a date.
I'll need a 2-up.
No, you'll have your own sled. You'll have the other new sled.
I'll have
Next year's new sled.
Yeah.
My brother has his own sled.
Oh, I was gonna send him on back.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Weird baby. Oh, now it doesn't want to.
Tail's wagging.
Thanks everybody. Thanks for tuning in to this very special episode. Maybe you guys comment below. Let us know what Julian should do. I think he should keep it. We should see Julian on at least on one ride, right? Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Sweepstakes is closed. Merch is still available. You can still go on the site and pick up some sweet shirts.
Yeah, super comfy.
Okay. Have a great summer and
Can't wait till winter.
we'll see you at the house.
Yeah.
Get to work.
Yeah.
Bye. 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 Bye.